We gonna try something a little different on this one. I'ma just vent to y'all for a second. Listen. They say the sun's after the rain and smiles after the pain. So why I gotta pop a pill just to try to ease my brain? And recently been feeling like I'm about to go insane. Cause normally I'm happy writing, but lately it ain't the same. And I don't want no one to judge, I'm about to take it deep. Stop whatever you're doing, take a seat and listen to me. Eugene, you just a bitch. Man, I hate you for this shit. You might visit a couple, but you never was there for your kid. And I know that shit was best. I mean, look at where it took me. How could I be a man if I was raised by such a pussy? After 20 some years, you still seem to overlook me. As a kid I needed you, but you was always playing hooky. Like, nigga, what did I do? You feel like I wasn't worth it? Did you think I'd be a failure, never have a greater purpose? But I'm looking at my life, it's pretty close to being perfect. And my family got my back, so I'm done with all the searching. All the things I used to think about, can never understand them. A father of my own, I know that it can be demanding. But as a man, or at least a bitch that got a dick, you gotta be a useless nigga just to run out on your kid. And I know that you gon' see me on TV and try to hit me up like, man, how you been? You know that I always loved you, son. They never let me see you, but they take you in the house and run. So fly me to LA, we can chill, catch up and have some fun. Yeah, my nigga, that was a nice try. You even sounded sad on the phone. It was a nice lie. Maybe I'm being rude, cause you could really be a nice guy. But I don't wanna know, bro. I'd rather give you a black eye. I see my daughter, and I try to put myself in your shoes and picture what I would lose, but I'll be much smarter. See, I had Stacy and Lisa to keep me steady. Had to become a man way before I felt ready. The shit that I wanna do and all the shit I wanna say, I did it without you, and I think I'm doing okay. Cause the record deal is coming, the fame is coming, bitch. And now you gotta hear this song, sit back and deal with it. I bet you mad you left my mom to fend for herself and be a selfish stupid nigga, never offering help. But now we shining while you getting dusty up on the shelf. The champ is dealing with the shit, so go and give me the belt. But I gotta say thank you to my mama and daddy. I'm thankful that you raised me right, that shit just makes me happy. It's getting personal, you know I never get this sappy. Both of my parents since my head just started out nappy. And I know that you'll probably never come to my shows, cause you practicing what you preach, and that's alright, but just know, even though my hair is crazy, got tattoos and I smoke, I'll always put on that smile that y'all had taught me to show. At least y'all stood up and never tried to make an excuse, cause Eugene used every excuse that he could think of to use. I bet he looking back on life like, man, goddammit, that boy, he gon' be a star. Better yet, boy, hit planet. I hope you getting sick, man, I hope you just can't stand it. Hope you realize the shit don't always go the way you planned it. You messaged me and I ignored. You probably getting bitter, I'm a couple months late, but Merry Christmas, my nigga. I know you thinking I wanted you to say what you said, but I'd rather see you in 20 spit on your coffin instead. But I gotta admit, you taught me one lesson is true, and that's how not to be a father and what I shouldn't do. And don't let me catch you slipping, catch you out on the streets, cause boy, I'm gonna fuck you up, I promise, just wait and see. And I'ma tag you in this shit so you can hear it, my nigga. I gotta call you a nigga, you was never a father figure, the boy grown. I'm here if y'all do wanna try me. Be the last thing that you see, cause all my people behind me. So I'ma see you real soon, go ahead and keep on acting cocky. Just call me time, cause I'm coming and ain't shit gon' stop me. Shit gon' stop me.